Plant FAQs, Anthurium Vittariifolium. The allure of the Anthurium Vittariifolium, a plant parent's guide. For the past year, my indoor jungle has flourished with various leafy companions. But one particular plant has captivated me with its dramatic flair, the Anthurium Vittariifolium. Nicknamed the strap-leaved Anthurium, this stunning specimen boasts long, sword-like leaves that cascade gracefully, adding a touch of the tropics to any room. This isn't just another pretty face, though. The Vittariifolium is surprisingly resilient, making it a great choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and curious beginners like myself. Intrigued by its unique beauty and manageable care requirements, I embarked on a journey to learn everything there is to know about this captivating plant. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. Hailing from the rainforests of South America, the Anthurium Vittariifolium is a member of the Araceae family, known for its diverse and visually striking foliage plants. This particular species stands out for its elongated, strap-like leaves. They can unfurl to a staggering 2 meters in length, boasting a deep, velvety green that adds a touch of drama to any indoor space. Unlike other anthuriums renowned for their vibrant flowers, the Vittariifolium doesn't produce showy blooms. Its beauty lies entirely in its foliage. The long, slender leaves cascade downwards, creating a lush, verdant waterfall effect. This makes it a perfect choice for hanging baskets or placing on a high shelf, allowing its foliage to drape elegantly. How to care for Anthurium Vittariifolium. The Vittariifolium may seem like an exotic showstopper, but its care requirements are refreshingly straightforward. Here's what I've learned to keep mine thriving. Light. Think rainforest understory. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it in south-facing windows. Watering. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of the soil dries out. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Vittariifolium thrives in high humidity. Grouping it with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase the surrounding moisture. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. How to propagate Anthurium Vittariifolium. The good news is that propagating the Vittariifolium is surprisingly easy. There are two main methods: stem cuttings and division. Stem cuttings. Select a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes. Cut just below a node, allowing a clean cut. Dip the stem in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with a moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot loosely with plastic to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and roots should develop within a few weeks. Division. This method is best suited for mature plants with multiple stems. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and gently separate the stems, ensuring each division has healthy roots and foliage. Repot each division in individual pots with fresh potting mix and care for them like established plants. What to plant with Anthurium Vittariifolium. The Vittariifolium's cascading foliage can create a stunning focal point. However, it also pairs beautifully with other plants. Here are some ideas. Ferns. Ferns with delicate fronds, like the maidenhair fern, complement the bold lines of the Vittariifolium. Peperomias. These compact plants with interesting foliage textures add variety to the arrangement. Philodendrons. Climbing philodendrons can share the same pot or trellis, creating a lush, vertical display. Anthurium Vittariifolium versus Pallitiflorum. Anthurium pallitiflorum. This one packs a punch with its velvety, deep green leaves. It feels luxurious, like I'm brushing my hand against softest velvet. Plus, the contrast between the dark foliage and the light-colored midrib is mesmerizing. The best part? It seems a touch more forgiving when it comes to humidity levels. Maybe it's just me, but this one feels a little less high maintenance, which is a big win in my book. With its minimal care needs and captivating beauty, the Anthurium Vittariifolium is a true gem for any plant lover. From its dramatic foliage to its ease of propagation, this plant offers a touch of the tropics that will elevate your indoor space. So, why not embark on your own Vittariifolium adventure and bring a piece of the rainforest into your home?